Welcome back, Crammers, to question 23. Mateo is going to invest 5,000 Swiss francs for 2 years. He can invest his money in Bank G or Bank H. The total amount of interest Mateo would receive at the end of 2 years from Bank G is more than the interest Mateo would receive from the 2 years from Bank H. How much more? So we have to find the difference between the two interests. First, let's find the interest of Bank G. The formula for compound interest is A is equal to P into 1 plus r over 100 to the power of nt. A is the total amount you'll receive. P is the initial amount, so that's 5,000 into 1 plus the interest rate is 1.6 over 100. And n is the number of times he invests per year. This is only once per year, so this is 1 times how many years, which is given as 2. So we can simplify this. A is equal to 5,000 plus 1.6 divided by 100. That gives us 0.016, and then we simply add 1, so that's 1.016 to the power of 1 times 2, so that's 2. This is Bank G. Let's just put this as G here. And we can use our calculator here to find our answer, which is 5,000 times 1.016 to the power of 2. This gives us 5161.28, $5161.28. Now we can find how much money he receives from Bank H. 2.9% interest is added after 2 years, so we know that it's added after. So we can simply put 1 plus interest rate, which is 2.9 over 100, times the initial amount, which is 5,000. We can simplify this to 5,000 times 2.9 divided by 100 is 0.029, and we can add 1, so that's 1.029. We can put this into a calculator. This is 5,000 times 1.029, which gives us 5145, which is equivalent to 5145. And now that we have how much money he receives from Bank G and how much money he receives from Bank H, we can simply find the difference as 5161.28 minus 5145. And we can use our calculator here for our final answer. 5161.28 minus 5145 gives us 16.28 Swiss francs. Thanks for watching. Cram then scram.